Okay, so it's recording. Where are we going, London? You don't want to do it?
Paris.
We are headed to Paris. So every year I take the kids who turn 8 years old to Paris for a week. And London is my last one. You're my baby. I gotta take you to Paris. The next time I take somebody to Paris that's 8 years old, it's gonna be your own children, my grandchildren.
You're taking?
Yeah. So we're gonna take you along for the ride. You can let us know if you like these vlogs. It's our very first time, so be kind in the comments because we're trying our best. How does Daddy do this? And everyone stares at us. It's super awkward. 8-hour flight, here we come.
It's our pleasure to welcome you to Paris, ladies and gentlemen.
I think we're gonna have enough energy to go do what we need to do today. I'm gonna go take a little nappy nap. Your hair looks pretty good still. Here is the house. It's like 250 years old or so. There's 4 levels, and it kind of looks like the house from Up, but not with as many colors. It is just a very special, magical little house. I love it. How long was our nap?
This many.
6 hours, and now we're heading to a really cool place called Jardin d'Acclimatation,
It's called, I forgot what she said.
and it's owned by Louis Vuitton, so that's cool.
It is? You never told me.
Yeah, maybe we can get a purse on the way. Okay, London, give us an update. What happened? We went to the Jardin. It was closed. But what did we find? It's the Louis Vuitton building. Dan's like gonna look at this footage and be like, what are you guys doing? And we found some French horn players in the woods. I've never seen that before.
Hello, and today I'm going to be giving a tour of the house we're staying at. This is the fish tank. This is the TV room. And then there's a table.
We're gonna go and have an evening stroll. We just had a great meal with Paula and her family. She has really fun lighting in her front yard. And let's go explore Paris at nighttime for a little bit. If you go to the right, you go to a place called La Défense, which is where I used to work, but it's not the nicest area. But they do have a huge Toys R Us.
Huge, but it's out of business.
Yeah, they went bankrupt, so I don't know if they're there. Let's go down a quieter street. You start walking down some of these side streets, it's like a different world. It feels quiet, it doesn't feel as stressful. Tomorrow is what? Where are we going tomorrow?
The Eiffel Tower.
The Eiffel Tower, the Bateau Mouche, I think Jardin de Luxembourg. I think we should go there too. What I love about Paris is the old buildings that are so unique and tall, and like they have the terraces and just all the carvings and stonework. When you go down some of those streets that don't have cars down them, it feels like you're in a different time.
I like unicorns.
What? You do
cotton
not.
Candy.
Who are you? I brought the wrong kid with me to Paris. There looks like there's a cute cathedral over here. Let's go check that out. Come on. You can go. It's green. But you know what London really is entertained by is not interested in the gorgeous cathedral, but she thinks that this McDonald's advertising is super funny. That's super entertaining. Was that the best thing you saw all day?
No.
Oh, phew. I was gonna say we're in big trouble otherwise. We're gonna go to bed, maybe.
Good night.
Good night. Action.
It's day 2, and we're gonna be going to the grocery store. We're gonna get pudding.
And we're gonna go to the Eiffel Tower and Bateau Mouche. And maybe we'll go to the Champs-Elysees right now in the Disney store. What do you think? Oh, she fell on the floor for that one. Do you think it's gonna be cooler than our Disney stores? Maybe. Let's go find out. First, pudding. It's closed. We were wrong. We thought it opened at 8, but the Monoprix opens at 8:30. Dang it. Oh well.
We're going to the Disney store.
This guy's eating a banana. There's his breakfast. There's so many motorcycles because the new mayor of Paris wants to get rid of cars. They are getting rid of tons sections of the streets, and they're just doing bike paths, motorcycle paths, and all this construction's going on. It's a little bit of a pain.
We just barely got to the Disney store and we noticed that it was closed, so we got 2 hot chocolates.
2 hot chocolates for how much money did it cost?
$20.
$20 for 2 hot chocolates. Is it the best hot chocolate you've ever had? No? It's all over your face though. Where are we?
Look around and guess where we are.
Look up and guess where we are. And we don't have to go in that long line. Paris tip for you, don't ever go to the Eiffel Tower without tickets. Cost the same, just get them online in advance.
Shoot.
No, don't shoo them. This is their home. They want to shoo you. Don't ever talk to anybody trying to sell anything here, ever. Because sometimes like people will come up and they'll start trying to put like bracelets on you and be like, oh, here's a bracelet. Well, you wore the bracelet for a minute. You have to pay for it. Just don't even engage and just keep walking and say no merci. That's all you have to say.
I just want bread. I just want bread.
Okay, let's go check it out. Lincoln would like that kind, don't you think? Almost our turn to go up.
Is that the elevator?
Yeah, it's the elevator. That's where we're gonna go up. What's your favorite color?
Rose gold.
Ooh, very specific. Favorite animal?
Puppies, pandas. I love pandas. And I love sloths.
Best place to travel to?
Japan.
Worst place to travel to? No, I like that answer. Favorite thing to do with Lincoln?
Teach me how to play Fortnite.
Aw, that's sweet. Favorite thing to do with Mommy? How about snuggling?
No.
Sleeping with me?
No.
What?
I know. Goodbye.
This is the winner. Oh my gosh, we've got to get like at least 8 right now. Today we're celebrating Bastille Day, which is the French national holiday. We are here at Versailles. Pretty impressive. London's super tired today because we drove a long way, but I think we get to skip some of this line, hopefully. So we did buy tickets in advance, but that is not going to really help us with this line. Oh my gosh, it goes all the way around. If the sun stays away, then we're good, don't you think? Yeah. It's just when the sun comes out that it's miserable. Here comes the sun. It's so hot out. They have like a hose out here and there's some firemen and the little kids are running up getting wet from this water, which sounds actually really nice to me right now. Okay, we are in. I wonder how long that took. Like, I bet 45 minutes. It wasn't that bad. Okay, so it's the end of July 14th, and so we are going to go watch fireworks to celebrate Bastille Day with London, Julia, and Elena. Yay, our French girls. Julia, where are you going? Be on our YouTube video. So London's going around in circles. That's what she wants to do.
It's me, London, hello. And I like cotton candy and unicorns.
London doesn't even get it. I had to always take the metro when I lived here, and we take Ubers everywhere we go. And I had to take trains, but now she doesn't even realize she's living the life with taking Ubers. Random Thoughts by Leslie. And I learned that you don't say Happy Bastille Day like you do in the US. You say Happy 4th of July, you don't say that here. World Cup is starting right now, the opening ceremonies. We're gonna try to go to a cafe across the way, see if we can get a spot. you can see, the cafes are quite crowded. It was really cute because they were all chanting and singing like so loud. And London would get scared every single time. So I told her to come up here and see that it's just a bunch of people having a good time. They were like all drenched in champagne. So funny. They must be doing really well after this. I don't even know what the score is. Okay, look at this service London gets on her last night. Julia and Elena are so kind to her. Dis merci. Is it bonne nuit? Bonne nuit. Good night, girls. Thank you. They even have Chipotle. What?